Hello boaters, welcome to Narrowboat Journeys. My name is Phil, and at the time of recording this I've lived aboard my narrowboat as a continuous cruiser for over 34 years. I share my home with my two cats, Bushka and Midge, and we spend our days travelling the Canal system and making videos. I'm just leaving the water point by Rose Narrowboats, which is close to Brinklow on the North Oxford Canal. Ahead of me there is just a little swing bridge I have to operate. Just over to your right, there's a lot of CRT rubbish bins that you can use. There they are. I think because they're in the boatyard grounds that people will assume that they belong to the boatyard and don't realise that they are actually CRT bins. If this boater had just been about a minute earlier, I would have left the bridge open for him.
The vultures and the wolves are gone. We'll live our lives as we were meant to, but not today. is not your own, but not today. Someday, when the money god is overthrown and the monsters are no more, we shall be free. In the shadow of the ancient trees, where sunlight's shy to roam, I steer my boat through whispering leaves. This canal, it feels like home. Gliding on through green embrace, where landslides might hold sway. In this hidden, quiet place, I'll find my way. With earthen walls on either side, twigs like fingers claw the sky. At any time the land could slide, moving on with wary eye. Gliding on through green embrace, where landslides might hold sway. In this hidden, quiet place, I'll find my way.
If you go up the steps by Bridge 34 here, you can walk to Brinklow and also to Brinklow Castle, which is quite interesting to have a little wander around. It's just a big earthen mound. I've done a video on that previously. Just on the right here is another mini landslide. There seems to be lots of them in this cutting. These are the most convenient visitor moorings for Brinklow, and don't be deceived, normally this will be full of boats. Not so much in January, however. This is a nice little mooring spot. Again, it's often quite busy at the livelier times of the year.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Join me next time on Narrowboat Journeys.
And this, I think, will do for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the cats. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.
Oh, it's time to let the cats out. They've been shut in far too long. First one out is Bushka, closely followed by Midge. Come on boys, out you come. There's lots to see and do. Come on boys, out you come. You probably need to poo. Thank you for watching.